This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming essentials. Your phone is on 5G with a data plan and the mobile hotspot feature is available. Once done, make sure battery saver is off on both devices because that can throttle connections. On the laptop, open Wi-Fi settings now. You'll look for the hotspot SSID. If required, set a simple password on the phone, use WPA2 for security, and note its name and password so you can quickly enter them on the laptop. You'll connect using one of three methods: Wi-Fi hotspot, USB tethering, or Bluetooth PAN. For Wi-Fi, choose the phone SSID on the laptop and type the password, then verify you have an IP address. If using USB, plug the cable, enable USB tethering on the phone, and watch the laptop accept a new network adapter. For Bluetooth, pair both devices first, then allow network access on the laptop. Make sure firewall or VPN settings, once connected, verify by opening a web page or running a quick speed test. Remember, 5G performance depends on signal and congestion. If you fail to get internet, first toggle the hotspot off and on, then reconnect the laptop. Make sure the phone's data plan allows tethering. As a key troubleshooting tip, if Wi-Fi pairing repeatedly fails, switch to USB tethering. This bypasses wireless interference and often restores a stable connection quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.